Three charge over shipment of 11 guns to Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome
and
to
we'll
Links
right
007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Three people, including a 16-year-old boy from Mandeville, Manchester, have been charged following a police operation linked to the shipment of 11 guns from the United States that were intercepted at a wharf in Kingston, Jamaica earlier this month. The teenager and another man were charged for possession of identity information under the Law Reform Fraudulent Transaction Special Provisions Act, while a woman was charged with possession of unauthorized ammunition under the Firearm Prohibition Restriction and Regulation Act, the police said on Friday. The operation was conducted on Wednesday by the Firearms and Narcotic Investigation Division, the Area 3 Police Fugitive Apprehension Team, and the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch. The operation stemmed from ongoing investigation into the seizure of the firearms and ammunition at a logistic facility in Newport, West Kingston on March the 19th. That operation resulted in the confiscation of 11 pistols, 50 magazines, and over 300 rounds of ammunition. Head of the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division, Senior Superintendent Samuel Blake, said that the police are aiming to degrade organized crime syndicates island-wide. The police said that they're intensifying and disrupting groups who pose a direct threat to communities and are not leaving no stones unturned and are partnering with various agencies to dismantle those dangerous networks, the police said. The Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division continues to appeal to the public for information on moving of illegal guns and illicit drugs. The police encourage anyone with the knowledge of suspicious activities to contact them at 876-923-5729, Crime Stop at 311, or the National Intelligence Bureau at 811 or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.